Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You need admin access to change a page link, so confirm your role right away. Once you've verified admin rights, pick a username that fits Facebook rules, short, memorable, and unique. Now navigate to your page using a desktop browser, or open the page in the mobile app and switch to page view. This ensures you see page-specific settings. Make sure the name adheres to character limits, because Facebook blocks names that are too short, generic, or already taken. Once on the page, go directly to Settings and choose Page Info on desktop, or tap Edit Page, then Page Settings in the app. This is where the username field lives. Click Edit, then enter your chosen username so Facebook can validate it. This step prevents duplicates. If it's available, you'll see confirmation. If not, try small variations or add a location or keyword. Remember why this matters. A clear username improves branding, and after entering an available username, click Save or Create Username and wait for confirmation. Then your public link updates to Facebook. com/your username. If Facebook rejects it, don't panic. Try a minor variant, add a keyword, or confirm your page meets eligibility like activity and completeness. Make sure no other page or profile uses the same name. If problems persist, open your support inbox or use Facebook Help to file an appeal. This often resolves holds or technical blocks.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.